What if making more money didn't mean adding more hours? Would you change how you work? Are you missing out on income simply because you're stuck in the work more mindset? Let me help you. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over 3 hacks to make more money without working more. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that many of us dream about: making more money without putting in extra hours at work. In this video, we'll explore 3 powerful hacks that can help you boost your income while maintaining your work-life balance. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a vacation, or simply enjoy a little more financial freedom, these strategies are designed to help you achieve your goals. First up, we'll discuss the concept of passive income and how you can start earning money while you sleep. Imagine waking up to find that your bank account has grown, all thanks to smart investments or side hustles that require minimal effort. Next, we'll delve into the world of leveraging your skills and resources. You might be surprised at how you can turn your hobbies or expertise into a lucrative income stream. Finally, we'll cover the importance of budgeting and financial planning, showing you how small changes in your spending habits can lead to significant savings and increased wealth over time. Financial freedom is not just a dream, it's an achievable goal with the right strategies in place. By implementing these practical tips, you can start seeing results almost immediately. So, stick around as we unpack these hacks and empower you to take control of your financial future. Hack 1. Invest in passive income streams. Let's kick things off by discussing the importance of creating passive income sources. So what exactly is passive income? Unlike active income, which you earn through direct work like your salary or hourly wages, passive income is money that comes in with little to no effort on your part after the initial setup. This means you can earn while you sleep, travel, or enjoy your free time. One popular example of passive income is real estate investments. By purchasing rental properties, you can generate a steady stream of income each month as tenants pay rent. Another great option is dividend stocks, where you invest in companies that pay you a portion of their profits regularly. These investments can provide a reliable income source without requiring constant attention. The beauty of passive income is that it allows you to diversify your earnings and reduce reliance on a single paycheck. However, it's essential to do your homework before diving in. Research various passive income opportunities to find what aligns with your interests and financial goals. Whether it's investing in a real estate crowdfunding platform or exploring peer-to-peer lending, there are numerous avenues to explore. Remember, the key to successful passive income is to start small, learn as you go, and gradually build your portfolio. By taking the time to invest in these opportunities, you'll be well on your way to achieving greater financial freedom and security. Hack 2. Automate your savings and investments. Now, let's move on to our second hack: automating your savings and investments. In today's fast-paced world, automation can be a game changer when it comes to maximizing your earnings without requiring extra effort. By setting up automated systems, you can ensure that your money is working for you, even when you're busy with life's demands. One of the most effective tools for automation is robo-advisors. These platforms use algorithms to manage your investments based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. They take the guesswork out of investing, allowing you to grow your wealth without needing to constantly monitor the market. Additionally, automatic savings apps can help you save effortlessly by rounding up your purchases and transferring the spare change into a savings account. This way, you're consistently putting money aside without even thinking about it. Another great strategy is to set up recurring transfers to your savings or investment accounts. By scheduling these transfers right after you receive your paycheck, you prioritize saving and investing before you have a chance to spend that money. This pay yourself first approach can significantly boost your financial health over time. Lastly, don't forget to take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans like a 401k. Many employers offer matching contributions, which is essentially free money for your future. By automating your contributions to these plans, you can build a solid retirement fund with minimal effort. Embrace automation and watch your financial future flourish. Hack 3. Monetize your skills or hobbies. For our final hack, let's explore how you can monetize your skills or hobbies. Many of us have unique talents or passions that can be transformed into a source of income, and the digital age has made it easier than ever to do so. The first step is to identify what you're good at or what you love to do. Whether it's graphic design, writing, crafting, or even cooking, there's likely a market for your skills. Once you've pinpointed your strengths, consider using platforms like Etsy or Upwork. Etsy is perfect for selling handmade crafts, art, or vintage items, while Upwork connects freelancers with clients looking for services in various fields, from writing to programming. These platforms provide a great way to reach a wider audience and start earning money from your passions. Another exciting opportunity lies in creating online courses or content. If you have expertise in a particular area, consider developing a course to share your knowledge. Websites like Udemy or Teachable allow you to create and sell courses, generating passive income as students enroll. Additionally, you can create content on platforms like YouTube or a blog where you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. By leveraging your skills and hobbies, you not only earn extra income, but also find fulfillment in doing what you love. So, take the plunge and start exploring the possibilities of turning your passions into profit. In conclusion, we explored 3 powerful hacks to help you make more money without working more. First, we highlighted the importance of creating passive income streams such as real estate investments and dividend stocks, which allow your money to grow with minimal effort. Next, we delved into the benefits of automating your savings and investments. By using tools like robo-advisors and automatic savings apps, you can effortlessly maximize your earnings and ensure that you're consistently building your wealth. Finally, we discussed how to monetize your skills or hobbies. Whether it's through freelancing on platforms like Upwork or selling products on Etsy, there are countless opportunities to turn your passions into profit. Additionally, creating online courses or content can provide a fantastic avenue for generating passive income. Now that you have these actionable hacks, it's time to take the first step. Start exploring passive income opportunities, set up automation for your savings, and think about how you can monetize your unique skills. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach, and these strategies can help you get there. If you found this video valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with friends who could benefit from these tips. We're committed to bringing you more insightful content to help you achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.